Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. Did you miss me? So, I know I didn't do Wig Out Wednesdays, but that does not mean I'm not consistent, because guess what? I'm still here. It's still 2 times a week upload. Okay, I missed the Wednesday. My fault. Things happen. Life happens. Yeah, so like in Houston, we thought a hurricane was coming, so my kids wasn't in school, and a hurricane did not come. Thank you, God. But anyways, yeah, I wasn't able to record a video, but I'm here. I'm here now. I'm here for you because I care. So today we're going to be talking about frontals versus closures. We're going to talk about why you would choose one over the other, what's the benefits, pros, cons, whatevs, and we're going to be doing that while we do some makeup and trying out a new product. So it's going to be a lot happening in this video. Buckle up, buttercup, and let's get started. That was weird. I'm sorry. Skip to the next clip. We have done these makeup steps before. You guys are familiar with it. If you need a refresher, I'll link some videos down below on the steps that I use. I'm not using any new products in my base. It's going to be the same things that I typically always use. I won't be putting makeup on my forehead today because why? Who gonna see it? Nobody. So we're not even gonna mess with it. So, all right, let's talk about frontals versus closures. I am a custom wig designer. And what that means is I make custom wigs for my customers. What makes my wigs custom is that I take my client's measurements, and the wigs are always based on my client's specific measurements so that they can wear their wigs glueless and not have to glue them down. A lot of my clients are beginner wig wearers. Now, if you don't wear wigs, there are a lot of things that you have questions about. And I've kind of become like the wig guru for my friends and family and just a lot of people in general. And I'm okay with that, even if they're not my customer. I just like educating people. So here's what I like to call a Lux lesson. Because my line is called Lux Hair Teeth by Suzie Bougie. So it's a Lux lesson because it's like alliteration. Lux, but okay. The difference between a frontal and a closure. I just realized that I did not powder underneath my foundation. And I just know I'm going to look like an oil slick at the end of the day. Very much so irritated. But take this as a nugget. Play as F up. So frontals. So a frontal is a 13, in my case, the ones that I use, frontal is a 13 by 4 piece of lace that has hair attached to it. So what that means is that you have ear to ear parting space across and 4 inches back of parting space. Now, because the wigs that I make are custom, it goes from being a 13-inch to ear. Whatever your ear-to-ear measurement is, that's how much parting space you have. It's going to go from your ear to your other ear. So the benefit of a frontal is you just have so much more room for activities. Duh. Yeah, it's more versatile than a closure. You have so much more parting space. You can do half up, half down if you want to. You have more space to do a bang like I have with this wig if you wanted to. You can do deep parts. If you like that whole baby hair look, you can get that effect all the way down on the temples and all that. And if you just like that push back look, you can push your wigs back and have the lace going ear to ear so that it looks like it's growing out of your scalp. That's the benefits of having a frontal. Now, some of the cons of wearing a frontal. If you are a beginner, that is a lot of parting space for you to have to play with. It's a lot of parting space and a lot of room for error if you don't know what you're doing. So, if you don't glue down your wigs and it's a glueless wig, it's pretty easy. But if you like to glue down your wigs, then you're going to have to master the whole gluing all the way across your forehead. And that's a step-by-step process, you know. Also, if you have a low hairline, I just would not suggest a frontal because you would have to pull it above your hairline and that just wouldn't look right. So there you go. Now, a closure. A closure is 4 by 4 inches of parting space. And I'll insert a picture here of a closure. I also insert a picture here of a frontal. So closure, frontal. With the closure, you have 4 by 4 inches of parting space. So that's cool, right? Because if you're a beginner, it's not a lot of room to mess up. You can still do a center part, a side part on either side. You know what I'm saying? There's still some room for versatility. And you can absolutely make a closure look just as good as frontals look. And you can make them look just as natural as a frontal looks. So don't think that just because it's a closure, it's not gonna look natural. That's very not true. I always suggest to my beginners who just don't want a lot of maintenance and learning curves and things like that, I always suggest a closure. If you have a low hairline, I suggest a closure too, because you could actually cock that unit to the side over here where your hairline may be not so low, or in the middle, and you can kind of work with it that way. So if it's your specific hairline. I also believe that there is a time and a place for frontals and closures. If you know that you are only going to be wearing your wig in a specific style, middle part bust down, like you're not going to be doing the most, it's not going to be no extravagant look, then what is the point of getting a frontal unless you're going to have the whole push back look? But if you just bust down the center, like get you a closure. Closures are less expensive than a frontal is, so you're saving money and you still can look good. So let's list it out here. The pros of a closure is that you have less learning curve, beginner friendly, suitable for all hairline types. Did I say affordable? And the ability to look natural. The benefits of a frontal: versatility, so much room for activities. You can do so many styles. You can make it look super natural. Did I say versatility? Because that's the main thing, is versatility. So comment down below and let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer frontals or closures? I don't care. Depends on the look I'm going for. This wig here is a frontal, and then I insert a picture right here. That's a closure. So, you know, whatever floats your boat, hun. If you're interested in seeing some of my units that I've made in the past, please feel free to follow my wig page. That is Luxe Hair Teak by Suzie Bougie on Instagram. My website is under construction, but it should be up and running mid-September. I will actually be posting when I go live again to start selling. But get your coins ready, girl. I'd love to make a wig for you. Let me lace your next install. I can't wink. It's a birth defect or something. I don't know. Never been able to wink. I can't do this on camera. I'll be back, bro, hammerhead. Bro, one thing about me is I will ruin a white shirt. This is why I do not wear white. There's makeup all over my shirt, and I can't never get the stains out because all my white shirts have designs on them, and I can't use bleach with them. Comment down below if you know a quick fix for that. I don't know, maybe I need some shout or something. The new product that we're using today is colored lashes. Yo, this finna be something. We finna see how this work. I don't know like if this is a thing or what, but I've seen like 1 or 2 people use colored lashes. I'm like, bro, that's a look. Like, that's kind of fire. Shout out to House of Mac Daddy, LLC. They sell luxury lashes and drip gear. So very cute site. They got very cute stuff. I ordered these blonde lashes that we're gonna use today, and I also ordered some red ones. So yeah, we're gonna do some fun looks. So I'm gonna pop these lashes on, and then we'll come back to complete the look and close out the video. So I was trying to do like some faux freckles, and then I had ran out of brown liquid eyeliner, which sucks. Cause that really would have been really cute with the brown lashes. But I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Would you wear colored lashes? I gotta get used to them. I might be able to freak these pictures though to make them look like, hey. Oh snap, look how I flutter. I could fly away. Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and then click all, because if you don't, then you won't be notified the next time I upload. And if you're not notified the next time I upload, you have to search Brushwork by Suzie Bougie, and that's a lot of words, and I'll be trying to help you find me easier. Help me help you find me easier. Guess what? I do not be speeding up that part. I could just talk real fast. I'm just that good. Bow bow. Also, please make sure that you follow my Instagram for Brushwork by Suzie Bougie for the makeup. Follow my hair page, Luxe Hair Teak by Suzie Bougie for the wigs. And my website gonna be coming soon. Thank y'all for joining me. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Hit up House of Lashes if you want some colored lashes. I think she also has regular colored lashes, like the black ones. All right, thank y'all for joining me. I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, bye!